In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for open houses on Zillow. If you're in the market for a new home or just love attending open houses to get a feel of the market, finding these listings on Zillow is a breeze, mamahiya. And I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin our journey by heading over to the Zillow website. Launch your preferred web browser and type in www.zillow.com in the address bar. Once the Zillow homepage loads, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. This will be your starting point for finding open houses in your desired location. In the search bar, type the name of the city or area you're interested in exploring. As you type, you'll notice suggestions appear which can help you pinpoint the exact location you're looking for. Once you've selected your location, hit enter, or click the search icon to proceed. After your initial search, you'll be taken to a page displaying a map on the right and property listings on the left. To refine your search further, look for the More option near the top of the screen. Clicking on this will allow you to access additional filters to tailor your property search more precisely. Now, to make sure you're only seeing listings with open houses, navigate to the Tours section within the filter options. Here you can filter properties based on several criteria, but we are particularly interested in open house events. Locate and select the Must-Have Open House checkbox to filter your results. This will ensure that all the properties displayed have scheduled open house events, allowing you to visit them in person and evaluate their potential more accurately. Finally, once you've configured all your preferences, click on the Apply button at the bottom of the filter menu. This action will update the search results on the page, showing you only the homes that meet your set criteria with open houses. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered Zillow's listings to find properties with scheduled open houses. This is an excellent way to explore properties firsthand and potentially uncover your dream home. By attending these open houses, you can get a genuine sense of the neighborhood, layout, and charm of each listing, which is invaluable in your property hunting journey. Happy house hunting, and may you find the home that's just right for you.